Hello, and welcome to our online tutorial on how to complete the entity information page for government entities. Let's get started on the entity information page. From the Select Entity Type drop-down menu, select Government. You must fill out all fields except those marked optional. The first field is Entity's Government Type. Click the appropriate radio button for tribal, federal, state, or local. Note, your government entity type must match the employer identification number associated with your FRN. Next is the URL your government entity uses. If it doesn't have a website, click the checkbox. Next is the type of data being submitted. Select either broadband availability data or bulk challenge data. And now, on to contact information. Your data contact is the person who can answer questions from the FCC. You may provide a different data contact when certifying your submission. Your certifying official contact should be the official whose signature certifies the truthfulness and correctness of information contained in a submission. This includes his or her address. Click International Address if needed. You may always specify a different certifying official contact for each submission. You can enter different names for each contact or use the same information in multiple places. Once you've entered all the information, click Save. This will automatically redirect you to the submissions dashboard page. This concludes our tutorial on how to complete the entity information page for government entities. Please remember to periodically check our website at www.fcc.gov/broadband data for links to commission orders, notices, tutorials, FAQs, and other resources. Questions about the BDC filing requirements may be submitted to the FCC by clicking on the Submit a Request button that is located on the Help Center webpage. Thank you again for your effort in preparing for the upcoming filing.